Hi everyone, I'll show you how to replace this back glass on your HTC U11. So be really careful once you stick your knife. There's a bunch of cables around, you can easily cut them. So just heat it up pretty good. It up and just start from one of the corners and don't go too deep in. Just start from this corner and then lift it up and use this something like plastic. Be super careful because don't stick too much in. You have some cables going pretty close to it. Okay, now let's try to lift it up. Lift this stuff up. Okay, it came off. Now you can pull it. And here's your camera glass. You'll need to remove it to install your back cover. So, or if it's broken, you can actually replace it. So just add some heat if you need to. It'll come off pretty easy. And there's two pieces. Okay, so there's two pieces. Remove them, replace to a new back cover. So here's a new one. It's super easy. Stick it back in. Add some glue if it needs to be. And install it back on your phone. Here it is. Pretty simple. Here it is, all installed. Go all the way around, press on it, make sure everything is good. Just like new phone. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Like I said, be super careful once you remove this, because you can easily cut something inside. So don't go too deep in, or just stay out of it as much as you can. Just go around the edges. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.